Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different compounds are given. P is benzene with 3 nitrogen, Q is oxygen and with cation, R is fused to 4 member, 6 member, 6 member and 4 member, S is 6 member with 2 oxygen atom. Here you have to find among the 4 which one is anti-aromatic. The answer lies in the Huckel rule. If the compound is aromatic, it should have 4n plus 2 electron. Anti-aromatic means 4n electron. Non-aromatic means mostly non-planar and non-conjugated. If you look at the PQRS, P is aromatic because nitrogen lone pair don't participate. We don't have the choice, so it is 6 pi electron. It is aromatic. If you look at the Q, 4 pi plus 1 lone pair 6 pi electron. The cation can help for delocalization. It is also aromatic. If you look at the R, it's a fused system. 14 pi electron conjugated, definitely it is aromatic. S is interesting because everybody thinks it's sp3 hybridization, but due to the forced conjugation, it is always participate. So 8 pi electron, it is anti-aromatic. So S is our answer. So according to Huckel rule, S is anti-aromatic. The concept you have to learn here is you should use Huckel rule for the aromaticity finding. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.